Hey, it's Jock here from Pivot Trader. Let's get started. Happy Tuesday. Let's start off with some news. Calendar day, nothing's really on there. Royal Bank of Australia stayed flat. A few Fed speeches. Should be interesting, but we kind of know what they're going to say. Futures are down. VIX is slightly up. Slightly. A few headlines from yesterday. This will update soon. This is briefing.com. This is FinViz, by the way, and Daily FX. Great calendar. ISM numbers were decent yesterday, kind of coming back to life, kind of go along with the same theme. Sally Beauty, that was a good call for anybody in the culture. But overall, up day, really no headlines. China's still doing well on the back of that state push to buy equities. Let's dive into charts. So I'm going to start off with the peso here. You want to stay in things that are moving. Pound, Jappy, not really moving that much. So, but as you see, always remember when there's tight ranges, in a pivot, kind of stays tight in there. Always expect a spring. And so you see it's got a lot to work off, right? This is about a 30% move. Drill down to here. Auto fib retracer by Tradingview, excellent ad. But you can see it's really kind of respecting these lines. So let's pull this out for the folks. Came right down to the 618, bounced to the 38, or 38. It's really respecting it. Kind of did another light bounce. So maybe this is losing velocity. We're just catching bounces. Let's drill down. About 4 hours. Let's get that back going. Yep. Uptrend was surely broken, so we'll be looking to sell. Kind of crossed the pivot, so it's coming into bullish territory. I mean, it's still in a long-term uptrend, so maybe it sticks. But this was a pretty strong move up. So I'm going to be looking at a pullback. Once we get here, we're probably about almost 900 pips away. So yeah, so we'll be looking to get down. Let's drill down. Hour chart. You can see this is our other hidden VWAP level, wherever it's at in the world. There we go. That's the other level. Actually, a little bit more interested in the fact that it's at the weekly pivot. So we're going to see what it does here. If we start to get a push down, probably wait for it to come halfway into this bar. So something like this, it'll come down. We'll get back in, wait for this to come up, and then I'm in for that push. Monthly pivot here and year level, year S10. I'm looking for a push back down. That's nice. About 800 pips. Oh, a little over 1,000 back. That's not bad. Yeah, easy, almost 3 to 1. Once you get in there, find something a little bit better, a little better entry. Okay. Okay, so we're already starting to get pushback. So this is actually your level here in the weekly pivot. If that holds, You get a push down back to this moving average. You get a push back up maybe into this area or up at the pivot. That's a sell. So a little something like, and then we get in from there. Play the push back down here, get out. A little bit run up maybe to here. Or to probably somewhere up here. And then kind of get that secondary push. We're just going to ride that all the way down. Yep, that's the plan for today. All right. Let me know what you think. Happy trading today.